Hey, Kari.
Oh, hey, Bill.
What are you up to?
Well, I've just been browsing around, thinking about buying a new dishwasher because I just moved into a new home and I'm a little bit reluctant to use the one that I have installed currently.
Why?
Well, for one, it's an older unit and I heard that they use a lot of water to actually do the wash cycle.
That's a myth. New dishwashers generally use about 7 times less water than washing by hand.
I was always told to run the tap near the dishwasher until it's hot. Is that true?
It used to be true, but now with detergents that don't have phosphates, they have enzymes instead, you want to introduce like room temperature water to the dishwasher. So, and the enzymes activate at different temperature levels, so they need the, they're designed to kick in at those different temperatures. So you want to just, let the water come in naturally.
Well, that makes me feel better as far as water and energy goes. What about the particles on the dishwasher? Should I be rinsing them first, or?
You mean food, like that's on the
plate?
plate?
Yeah, food particles.
Well, I always said, like, friends don't let friends pre-rinse their dishes. You should just, you really only need to scrape off big pieces of food into the garbage can, and then just load the dishwasher normally, and when you open it up, it should all be gone. It should be beautiful.
Okay, perfect. And then how about heavily soiled pots and pans? Are they safe to go in, or should I be washing them by hand?
Oh, absolutely. Just make sure you choose the proper cycle. There's usually a pots and pans cycle that is usually has longer soap, wash cycles, and uses higher temperatures. So they too should come out looking good at the end.
Wow, higher temperatures. Does that mean more energy is going to be used?
Nowhere near what you would use doing it by hand in your, in your sink.
Wow. So what about glassware? Sometimes I've noticed some spots on the glasses when they come out.
Spotting is usually a result of improper detergents or not using a rinse agent. A lot of times rinse agents, they'll empty or they will be empty and people won't notice for a long period, so they're not used to checking it. So I would start with the rinse agent, make sure it's full, and make sure you're using, a brand name detergent, the right amounts.
Okay, and then what about that hazy film that sometimes comes out on glasses? Is that due to a lack of rinsate as well?
No, when you have a general haze on glassware, that's usually caused by 2 things. Most common is a lime or a mineral buildup on glasses, and you can determine that if you get some white vinegar and you apply it to the glass, try to rub it off. If it comes off, that's a mineral deposit. If it doesn't come off, it's probably the glass itself is damaged. It's has a hazy finish, and that's, unfortunately, there's nothing you can do about that. Except for when you buy glasses, you should check, make sure that they are dishwasher safe.
Oh, dishwasher safe. I'll have to keep that in mind. I've seen food particles left on my dishes. Is that from, maybe leaving too much debris, or is that something else with the dishwasher?
Food particles are generally a washability situation that's caused by not maintaining the dishwasher properly. A lot of people don't realize this, but dishwashers have screens and filters in them that should be cleaned periodically, just much the same as a clothes dryer has its lint screen. If they're clean, that will ensure a higher water pressure and a better flow for cleaning the dishes. That should be the first thing you should check. And also, while you're in there, you can notice the wash arms. If there's food debris inside the wash arms, that they can be taken out and cleaned as well. So that should solve your food washability problem for the dishes.
That seems a little bit complicated. Now, is that something that Appliance Master could help me with?
Absolutely. That's why we're in business. If you're that sort of thing you're not comfortable with, we'll be happy to look at it and make sure it's operating properly. Do it every day.
Okay, great. So I think I might be making a call to Appliance Master before I take the dive into buying a new dishwasher.
Sounds like a great idea. To have your dishwasher checked, you can schedule it online or call us at 800-752-7123.